Welcome to this channel. My name is Todd and I have to do project 6.2. Alright, okay, let's copy all of this. I will copy the instructions and I will place them in my pseudocode. Let's make them more easier to read. Alright, so we have a dictionary. Actually, you know what? Let me copy this one as well. Alright, and the project 3 down there. Down there. Rah, 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 rah. It's so funny. So funny to pronounce the R. 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 I always feel like a pirate. Pirate. Okay. Instructions. You are going to write a program that adds to a travel log. You can see a travel log, which is a list that contains 2 dictionaries. Write a function that will work with the following line of code online to add the entry for Russia to the travel log. Russia. You've visited Russia 2 times. You've been to Moscow and St. Petersburg. All right. Do not modify the travel log directly. You need to create a function that modifies it. Okay. Now here wait a second. Wait a second. Okay. Let's paste it over here. I will recopy this. Okay, and over here. Bam. Okay. So inside the list, we have this dictionary. Okay. Let's clean up this mess. Okay. Right, so we have this list. Right. And over here, add new country, Russia. 2 visits, Moscow. Write a function that will allow new countries. Okay, so this is a dictionary inside a list. Here, we have the name of the function. And we have to add 3 arguments. Okay, and we have to target the travel log. So when this is called, we have to add there. I think I have to create a dictionary first. Okay, let's just see. Hmm. It's simple, you know. I mean, I don't know the syntax, but the idea is simple. We have 3 inputs over here. We have the country, the number of visitors, and the cities. I have to create this function. Inside here, these 3 inputs will be these 3, which is over there. And now I have to place these in a dictionary and add the dictionary to the travel log. Okay, guys, so I checked the syntax for this one. And as I said, it's exactly as I said, but the secret was in this thing. So I have to say new country, and inside square brackets and double quotes, I just copied this country, which will equal the country visited, and do this for all the country visits. And we have cities. Oh, I have to stir my sauce, dude. Not there, here, times, and over here, cities. And after that, you say travel log dot append new country. Now it should work perfectly. Let's see, country, France visited, cities, country, Germany visits, Berlin, country, Russia visits, cities. Perfect. Ooh, guys, just be right back. I'm sorry, guys, for so many interruptions in my videos, but when I come home from the gym, that's the time when I cook also, and that's the time when I code also. All right, so I added Russia. Now I want to make something. I want to access. I want to see something. Let me see what happens if I say here travelog at the position 2. All right. Like it. What happens if I say at a position country? Okay. Okay, let's make it. List indices must be integers or slices. Country. At the position 2, this is okay. And here I have to act to take the key, which is country. Ooh, I love it. So actually, let me copy this country 3 more times. Here I will say visits. Wait, visits. And down here I will say cities. I no, I will say I always visit when I'm there. I visited Russia 2 times. I always visit Moscow, St. Petersburg when I'm there. Okay, let me see. Wait, no, I will pick country display. At the position inside there, I have to say, just let's see what happens. inside cities, I will say here. Okay. Wait, I see that try is a keyword. Okay, I will take example and I just want to test something for me, you know. So in example I have to say I'm inside cities, which is a list. I can say 0 and it should display me Moscow. Oh, I love it. Okay. So this thing needs to go here, right? And I have to make another one over here with position 1. I visited Russia 2 times. I always visit Moscow and St. Petersburg when I'm there. Great. Everything is simple. Guys, you don't have to be a genius to learn how to code. It's so easy. Everything is really logical and makes sense. The only difficult thing is not the code, it's how you think about solving the code. It's so simple. And the syntax, you have to learn the syntax. You have to learn how things work. The confusing part when you learn to code is not like when you read. We learn to read from top to bottom, from left to right. Well, your code actually is not like that. There are moments when your code starts, if you have, like, for instance, here we have 33 lines right inside this one. Let's count the spaces as well. While sometimes your code starts from the line 26, jumps to the first line, after that jumps to the, I don't know, 32nd line, after that jumps to the 10th. That's just practice. Guys, practice. Believe me, you can be anything. I want to try to be a software developer. I feel that it's a very complex domain. And guess what? I don't have a degree in computer science. And it's not hard, you guys. You just have to practice and like imprint in your mind the things and how a computer works, because it's different, actually very different than how you think. This is unbelievably cool. Guys, we write the code. We build things. You know how to do it. You program the computer. The computer responds to your commands. You know how to do it. Trust me. If you want to learn to code, if you want to learn anything in life, you can do it, because a lot of people did it before, and it will do it after us. Anyway, I am just saying stuff. This code is complete. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.